Hello fam, welcome back to the channel. My name is Emanuela. If you are old here, welcome back. If you are new, thank you for stopping by. On this channel I share legit information on different ways to make money online, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a survey site by the name Happy Survey and how you can make money online by using this site. And the most interesting thing about this site is that with Happy Survey, it only functions on the mobile device. So meaning that if you have an iPhone, you have an Android phone, you have an iPad, you can actually download the Happy Survey app from the Apple Store or from Play Store to your mobile device, and you begin to participate in surveys and other tasks which I'm going to be showing you in the course of this video. And the site claims that you can make $15 and above by participating in surveys. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a proper review of this site, and you see how it functions. And apart from surveys, there are other tasks that you can make on this site, and you begin to make money online with Happy Surveys. And before I begin to review this app, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do so by clicking on the red subscribe button below this video. Also smash the notification bell so that anytime a new video comes up on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. As you can see on your screen here, this is Happy Surveys, and they say let's start earning. You complete earn money completely rewarded surveys. And you can see this is Google Play Store, this is Apple App Store, so you can download it to your mobile device. They say Happy Surveys is a mobile app where users can earn money by taking paid surveys. Completing a survey can reward up to $15 and takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Your opinions are valuable. Get paid to share them. So as you can see, this is how it looked like on your mobile device. I'm just going to go ahead and download it on my mobile device, and I walk you through the process. They say we work hard to provide you the best surveys available on the market. Happy Survey partners with top market research companies, aggregate them, monitor the quality, and rank each surveys on real time, so you can receive the best and highest paid surveys. As you can see right here, this is how the payment method look like, in which I'm going to review it. They say you can start monetize your spare time instantly, and we aim to process all payout within 3 working days, so you can receive your earnings fast. So I'm just going to go ahead and download Happy Surveys on my Google Play because I'm using an Android phone. So you can use App Store if you are using an iOS device or an iPhone. Just go over to Google Play Store, then you search Happy Surveys. When you search Happy Surveys, this is to download Happy Surveys to your mobile device. When you search it, as you can see, this is Happy Surveys. You click on install. When you click on install, it's going to take some few seconds to install to your mobile device, as you can see right here. After it install, click on open. Here they say your opinions are valuable. Get paid to share them. Answer quick surveys and get paid to just 3 working days. So they take 3 days to pay. Then you click on start right here. Click on start again. Then it will lead you to this section, which is the tax section. Here we have different games that you can download to your device. This is Mafia City. This is 76,128 points. This is Make Money 250 points. So with Mafia City, when you click on it and you click on start tax, it will redirect you to this section where they will show you how much credit you will earn, as you can see here. Then you go ahead and you download the game on your Google Play Store or Galaxy Store, as you can see right here. Then you click on install. When you click on install, then you start playing the game. You make this 76,126 points. As you can see, these are different games that you can go ahead and download on your mobile device through Happy Surveys. Then these are surveys here. You can participate. These are all the surveys that I have here. You can click on this survey. For example, take a survey. Then you click on start task in order to participate with this survey to make 711 credit. As you can see, 711 credit. So if you finish this survey, you are going to make 711 credit. So I'm just going to come back and to show you how much you need to have in order to cash out, how many credits, because the games that you play on this side. Okay, for example, when you click here, it's going to show you how much you have as total credit. I have 50 credit right here that I have won with this side. Then when you click on this section to see your balance, when you want to withdraw how much you have already made on the side, it will lead you to this section where 10 euros is equals to 10,000 credit, 20 euro is equals to 20,000 credit. So to cash out this 10 euro, you need to have 10,000 credit, and you go ahead and you select these different means of payment, which may be payeer, Bitcoin, or adscash. Then you click on next if you have up to 10,000 credits. So you can do the same for $20, 20 euros, 50 euros, and so on. Then here, when you click here, you can see where you need to invite friends. You can invite them via email, WhatsApp, SMS. Then you can go ahead and copy your code. When you click on copy invite code, you can copy it from here. Then you send it to your friends and you invite them to the platform. So we have tags, as you see here, different tags, which are games that you can begin to download and play and make these different credits, as well as you have surveys. So as you have seen in this video, you need 10,000 credits in order to make 10 euros, which is the minimum cash out level for you to cash out your money with Happy Surveys. So you need to download as many games as possible if you don't have many surveys, as well as if you have many surveys, go ahead and participate in all these surveys in order to accumulate more credits. And 10,000 credit is equal to 10 euros, 20,000 credit is equals to 20 euro, 50,000 credit is equals to 50 euro. So the more harder you work on this app, the more you will cash out. So as you can see, they have different cash out method. You can either cash out using Bitcoin, using payeer, or using adscash, as you just see me illustrate in the video. The interesting thing about this app is that you can use it on your free time to participate in the different surveys, to download different games. If you are somebody that play a lot of games, you can actually convert that hobby to making money by downloading different apps, using Happy Surveys and playing the different games on your mobile device, and you accumulate credits, and from this credit you can cash out your money, and the minimum cash out level is 10,000 credits, which is equals to 10 euros. If you find any value in this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that anytime a new video comes up on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Also share this video with someone, and see you in my next one.